Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or region on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to change your country or region that you have chosen while first setting up your Windows 11 PC, then from your desktop, simply right-click on the Start button. From here, click on Settings, which will now open up the settings page. Now, within this page, click on Time and Language. And now you will find the language and region option. Go ahead and click on this. And now underneath the region settings, you can simply click on the drop-down menu on your currently selected country or region, and you may use whichever region you wish to switch into. After clicking on the region that you want to change into, your country or region will be changed, and you may also add a language for your input method, and also the window display language can be chosen based on your country or region. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country or region on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.